Look how pretty.
I've already got enough pictures to shoot.
Look at these.
What is this, Mom?
Oh, here you go, Clara.
Mom, watch out. You want to get in the picture?
We're right by
Where's
the Japanese.
Papa? Oh, you want to get in the picture?
Harold, come out here. Come here. Get over here.
Boy, Mom, watch out.
Ooh, get away.
Mama, there's full of bees in there.
Get. Help. Get. That's the ones that come suck the flowers. That's what makes everything bloom. Come sit with me.
Take a picture of them?
Huh?
We were kind of zoom in close. Wait, Daddy. Give me your camera. Zoom in real close.
I can't see him.
Oh,
Come on, zoom in close.
gee whiz, we got 3 cameras up there on us.
Y'all should feel like movie stars
I'm
now.
telling you. Gee. Isn't that exciting? Now y'all want to get in here, all of y'all, and I'll take one of y'all?
Come
We'll
on, and take a
some of
picture.
y'all.
I didn't take one.
Well, what the hell was you waiting
I was
for?
trying to get to the green light. Wow, hey, man.
Well, God, Chris.
All these cameras.
Mom, you want to move?